Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got hold some new problem which says let P is the image of the point this with respect to the plane this. So, we guys are given a point and a plane to which we have to find out its image. So, first we will try to find out image. So, suppose that this is point Q 3 1 7. Okay, and we need to find out the image. So suppose that this is Q and this is your P, and we have to find out this image, correct? So you know that the formula of image is what? X minus x1 by a coefficient of x, y minus y1 by b coefficient of y equals z minus z1 by c equals, we have to find out image, so minus of 2 times point satisfaction, so you have to satisfy the point. So 3 minus 1 plus 7 minus 3 upon a square plus b square plus c square. So a, b, c all are 1. So this is okay. Now you know that you have to do manipulation over the right hand side only. So this thing gone. It is 6, below is 3, so 3 2s are 6, so it is minus of 4. Now try to find out who is x. So you know that x minus 3 equals to minus 4, so value of x will become minus 1, correct? Then we will find out y. So y minus 1 by minus 1, this minus 1 will go that side, so it will become 4, so y will become 5. So coordinate of y we got 5. Then z minus 7 equals to minus 4. So z will become 3. Okay. So we got our point P as minus 1, 5 and 3. I hope till this part you guys are super comfortable. Now read that question. Then the equation of the plane passing through the point P. So you have to write down equation of plane passing through point P. So suppose that this is your equation of plane, and don't consider this plane to be parallel to the previous plane. For reference I am trying to draw. So this plane is passing through point P. Point P is mine. I'll write point P only. Okay. If required, I will use this value. So you have to write down equation of plane which will pass through the point P containing the straight line this. So your straight line should be in the plane. Okay. So suppose this is the straight line. Suppose. Now, if this is your equation of straight line, can you find out certain things? What are the informations you guys can extract from the equation of line? You guys can extract a point on the line. So point is what? The numerator will give you point A, that is 0 0 and 0. It was x minus x1 na? So x1 is the point, and we can find out a vector parallel to the line, correct? And that is what? Vector b is I plus 2j plus k, correct? Now we need what? We need a vector, we need a point on the plane. We have already point P, that is minus 1, 5 and 3. Now we need what? We need a vector perpendicular to the yellow plane. So you have one vector B, and do you think you guys can create AP vector? AP vector is also in the plane, and if you will do cross, don't you think that you will get a perpendicular vector to the plane containing AP vector and B vector? So whenever there is requirement of finding a perpendicular vector containing vector A and B, you should go with cross product always. I hope you guys remember this thing. So first we will be writing AP vector. So AP vector means what? A is 0, 0, 0, P is minus 1, 5, 3. So AP vector will become minus I plus 5j plus 3k. And then we have B vector. B vector is I plus 2j plus k. So we got our both the vectors. Now, can I write AP cross B vector? So it is I, j, k minus 1, 5, 3, 1, 2, 1. Now we will go with the determinant. So I will become what? 5 minus 6. Then j will become minus 1 minus 3. K will become minus 2 minus 5. So it is minus I plus 4j minus 7k. So this is the normal vector to the plane containing point P. Now you guys can directly write down equation of plane, and you can use the coefficient of normal vector for coefficient of x, y and z. So it is minus 1, 4 and minus 7. So can I write minus x plus 4y minus 7z plus lambda. Now we need to find out value of lambda, and how we will find out value of lambda? By substituting the point this. So it is minus 1, 5, 3. So minus 1 plus 4, 5. Then 3 plus lambda equal to 0. So it is 1 plus 20 and then minus of 21 plus lambda. If you will solve this thing, you got lambda to be 0. Now you guys have to update the equation this. So it will look like minus x plus 4y minus 7z, lambda is 0, so equals to 0. You can multiply both sides by a negative. So it is x minus 4y plus 7z equals to 0. Hence, the required equation which will pass through the point P is x minus 4y plus 7z. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So, see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.